Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Nandita. Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. To solve your tiffin worry, some of India's most loved chefs are bringing to you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today I'm making vegetable Seekh Kebabs. This recipe is loaded with vegetables and it's a great way to sneak in all the veggies in your kids' tiffin box. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. To prepare our vegetable Seekh Kebabs, we'll start by roasting some besan. You don't want it to turn very dark brown, but just as soon as it's aromatic, we'll keep it aside. Our besan is roasted. I'll just remove this into a bowl. We'll prepare the mixture for the vegetable Seekh Kebabs now. In a bowl, I'm going to add some boiled and mashed potatoes. There's some boiled and mashed green peas. Here's some very finely chopped carrot, finely chopped green beans. Let's just mix this together a bit. Now we're going to season this with some salt, some black pepper. Here's some Garam masala powder. Some Kashmiri red chilli powder, which adds a little bit of red color but no spice. Some finely chopped mint and some finely chopped fresh coriander. Let's mix this all together. And now we are going to add some Kissan Tomato Ketchup. So the Kissan Tomato Ketchup gives it a perfect tomato flavor and it binds everything really well. And now I'm going to add some of our roasted besan. Just knead this lightly until it comes together into a smooth dough. And here we have some skewers that we've soaked in water for some time so that they don't burn. We'll just wrap this mixture around these skewer sticks. Our skewers are shaped and ready. Now we'll fry them in a pan. I'm heating a little bit of oil in a pan. So our pan is hot now and I'm going to start keeping the skewers here to fry. We'll let these cook for around 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly golden brown, and then we'll flip them over and cook the other side. I'm going to flip these over and you can see what a lovely golden brown color it has got now. Another 2 to 3 minutes on this side and our vegetable Seekh Kebabs are ready. Our vegetable Seekh Kebabs are ready. Let's remove them onto a plate. Time to pack it in our tiffin. I'm also packing some pineapple and some mixed dried fruits and nuts. I hope you liked this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network, like and share our videos. I'll be back tomorrow to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.